So, dear students, let's learn report writing with some more examples. Here comes heading, means title of report writing. Then comes under the heading byline, means name of the reporter. Reported by XYZ. In case you don't have any name in your question, if it is there in the question, means name is there of reporter in the question, then you are supposed to write the same name. Then comes PDM, place, date, and month. Dear students, this you need to write in newspaper report. You can avoid this in magazine report. Then we'll talk about the opening paragraph. Opening paragraph. It includes the 5 Ws, namely what means what was organized, why was it organized, means what was the purpose, and when was it organized, where was it organized, along with who, means who inaugurated the function. Then the next para consists how, means how the function was organized. Here comes the count of events. And why was it organized? Again, the purpose, motive of organizing the function. Then we are telling in the same para only about the people who were involved in the function, experts who were invited or who came, or the feedback of the people. And then the last concluding para. And dear students, let me tell you a very important thing, that is tense. So which tense you are going to use for writing report? You're going to use only 3 tenses. These are past indefinite tense, means simple past tense, past continuous tense, and past passive voice. Let me tell you the structure also. What is the structure of simple past tense? Means past indefinite tense, subject plus verb to plus object. If you have to make any negative sentence, you will use did, not, verb first. And for past continuous tense, subject plus was, were, ing, was, were, verb 1, ing, and object. And past passive voice, structure subject plus was, were, plus here comes verb, third form of the verb. So these are 3 tenses mainly you are using for writing a report. So dear students, let me tell you, there are 2 types of reports: programming reports and accidental reports. Programming report, there can be like any function, program, event, campaign, seminar, or exhibition. This programming report is about all these, and accidental reports, it is about any tragedy like road accident, robbery, breaking out of fire, flood, tsunami, bomb explosion. So dear students, this accidental reports we'll be doing in our next video. Today we are gonna do programming report. So let me tell you with more clear examples. So dear students, I'm gonna tell you the opening paragraph. There are so many examples, you can choose any. So how can we start the opening paragraph? A program was organized, held, or celebrated, or arranged, or conducted. Out of these so many synonyms, you can write any. And then after you have written that the program was organized, you need to mention date, means when it was organized, like on. Then you are mentioning time, at what time it was organized. Then you are mentioning place where it was organized, like in school auditorium and so on. And then comes like who is or who has organized it, like school club, society, whatever, like schools, it will be completely the school's part. So this you will mention who is, like which part of your school is going to organize this particular function. So bacha, you can start your first line like this, and then comes like second, how, that is who, means who inaugurated your function, celebration. So it was inaugurated by chief guest. Here you can mention the name of chief guest. Or means you can just start from the name of the chief guest also, like he, means the name of the chief guest was the chief guest on the occasion. Or you can even mention like this, it was started or commenced. Out of these two any you can write. I'm giving you here so many options, you can choose as per your wish. So it was started with the arrival of the chief guest or experts. So here all the which of these all sentences are in or, whichever suits your celebration you can use. Experts from medical field were invited to answer the queries of the people or audience, and or educationists were invited to on the topic. If any concerned topic is there, then you can just call, or you can say that your chief guests were educationists and they came there to talk to the students on a particular topic. And then comes you can mention even like this, some experts came from various fields like food technology, fashion technology, media management, etc. Means again I'll tell you, according to your topic you can choose any of the sentence. Many health and yoga experts were invited to talk to the students. Means if your topic is related to health, yoga, or exercises, so your guest experts will be from any health, or they will be health or yoga experts. Or it was inaugurated by environmentalist. If any environmental issue is there, program is there, so you are going to call as chief guest any environmentalist. So you can mention, like I have mentioned here, Dr. Ravi Kant Sharma, who was the chief guest of the occasion. So like this, students, you can choose, you can make your opening. You can even mention like this also. Many educationists, psychologists, and principals from various or different schools participated in the seminar. Or it was initiated by Health Minister of Delhi. And here even you can mention the time also.